Hello, this is Richard Manry I am at Tractor Supply in Alexander City. Today's date is April the 8th, 2024. We are going in, if you can see that direction there is toward the store and the men and women's restroom, straight that way. Directly 20 yards is the break room, and we are just outside little office area. So we're going to go down and we're entering in the pipe we had to bust our way through. So here we go. All right.
Ready?
So, no, it's good. That right there, 1.4 feet. So, all right, we're going in. So it looks like there's some, looks like maybe a belly here. And I'm just going to go on in and see what I see. Obviously, it's holding water right there, so the camera is underwater, 12, 13 feet from this particular clean out. Okay, and the bottom of the pipe is at the bottom of the screen. Actually, it's at 7 o'clock. No, it's not. It's at the bottom right, around 5 o'clock. Okay. Again, there's a belly there. Underwater there at about 30 feet. I can't really see anything. So everything is indeterminate at this point, inconclusive. I know that I'm obviously in water right there at 25 feet. So looking at that, yeah, there's a belly there that just holds toilet paper and everything else, all kinds of debris. Everything is flushed. All right, I'm going to go in and jet this and see what we get. I would like to be able to jet from this clean out to outside, but at this point the clean out on the outside directs you downstream. This clean out directs you upstream or toward the women's bathroom, men and women's bathroom. So I'm going to jet this and see what we get, and we'll come back and look at it.